down there right now. The trail that we hiked on the other day is back there. Oh, it's a spruce trail, access to North Rim. It was about a half a mile. It's pretty cool out there. There's a bike trail that goes all the way around the lake. We went out on the lake earlier and it started raining. Okay. So it's $21 a night for a single site. It's very rare though to see a bear out here. Fill it out and put your money and stub in there. And voila. Trash. Serious trash cans. Up in there is a bathroom. There's a water spigot. Let's go take a look. Hostess dude that kind of collects the money and stuff. This is cool. A little parking area. And then there's a trail right here that goes down. There's this trail that goes to the bathrooms. I believe this is all the parking for the tents. But look at that, that looks pretty cool. Pine trees, Christmas trees. Jeez. Another water spigot. But we're right here by this trail. Bathrooms. Oh, look, there's our boat out there. Here's Caitlin's boat and my boat. Oh, that's cool. We need to come and gather that up. Oh, we need to go up there and look at that thing. It's like an, I don't know what it is. Broke down, abandoned old building. So here we go. Let's take a look at the lake. up there and look at that building in a minute. Let's go down there. We could have camped right there and had the boats right there. But there was people here and we didn't want to lug all the stuff from that parking lot down to the campsite. So we just made it easy for ourselves and found one that had everything with the truck right there with it. But yeah, these ones are much cooler because they're right by the water. But when I came camping last time on my other videos, I camped like right there in the very first camp site next to the building. And I put my tent more closer down here, and I had the boat like literally right there. But the water line was over here. The water lake now, it's all low, so low. The water's really low. The other dam on the other side, oh my, it's all dried up. So I don't know. It's pretty low water. Yeah, see, like this thing was underwater. So yeah, much different. Guess you can get to see all the stuff that was under. Navajo Lake. Yeah, I like those trees. Beautiful. So here's my daughter's boat. Let's see. Yeah, all her stuff is here. Her fishing pole. She's got 3 rainbow trout already, about 12 inches long. At least 12 inches long. There could be bigger. They were nice. They were nice sized fish. I don't really like fish. I don't really catch them and eat them. So, and then she's one of those like, oh, I don't want to kill it. So she's like, I'm just gonna let it go. So yeah, she like catch and releases it or whatever. But it's cool. Beautiful fish, I could say. Look at the water's clear. Clear water. Like there's a rock out there. You can see. I mean, it is clear water. So what we did was earlier our boats were a little bit over there. We both paddled out. We went all the way across and paddled. Where we went like around this ridge, and over there's a lodge, and there's like a docking station with like pontoon boats. There's probably at least 3 or 4 pontoon boats, and you can rent them. Canoes all lined up on one side you could rent. And then little cabins, anywhere from 99 to 149. They're pretty cool. Caitlin's thinking about we ought to go there and trip out on that next time. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Here's some kayakers. Where are they at? Right there. I think they're fishing. There's in a 2 people, a double kayak. They're fishing. Caitlin's taking a nap. I told her she needs to wake up so we can go mess around again with the boats. Yeah, we'll go down to my boat. Oh no, let's go look at that rock thing first. See, I think that's the last campground right here. And then it turns into just like foresty stuff. I think there's a trail that you can walk along the edge so you can go fish. Let's see. Yeah. Right through there. But there's no more campgrounds. I think it's just here, there, and one more. At least right here next to this water. I mean, over there's restroom yet. But oh well, I mean it looks good and clean and usable. Oh, that's the girls. Okay. So back to the jail. Yeah, I put my tent right there last time I came 2 years ago, and then I had my boat just posted up. I think I literally chained them up to that tree when I went on my hike to that North Rim spruce hike that I did. Look at these cool flowers. Let's bang it up. Where'd it go? Right here. These little wildflowers are everywhere. Pretty cool. Aspen trees. They turn yellow in the fall. Freaking pretty. So my boat's down there, but it looks pretty much the same as my daughter's. See, what do we got going on here? Some more cool flowers. Little trail takes you to the water. So the trail takes you to the campground.